Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back. Today we are flipping the lens. We have talked about what moved Bitcoin and why patience wins. But here's the next question. What is happening beyond the price chart? Because while everyone is staring at $90,000, adoption is quietly rewriting the story. A word of disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset. It's being used for remittance in Asia, for payments in Latin America, and even for corporate treasuries. Millions of workers in Southeast Asia already rely on crypto transfer to send money back home. Not only that, they can send it instantly without going through a third party within minutes and at a very, very small fee. Compared to the bank, no way. Isn't that more powerful than any headlines? Beyond the blockchain, the Lightning Network is scaling Bitcoin for everyday payment. Instant, low-cost transaction. The Lightning network, from buying a coffee to cross-border transfer. Imagine Bitcoin not only just a digital gold, but as digital cash. Isn't that kind of adoption that makes Bitcoin holding worthwhile? While the ETF grabbed headlines, companies are quietly adding Bitcoin into their balance sheet. Payment platforms are integrating Bitcoin. Even pension funds in Japan are exploring the digital asset. Adoption isn't loud, it's steady. And steady adoption builds conviction. Here's something most Westerner analysis missed. The global south is leading in real world usage. Vietnam, the Philippines, Nigeria, these aren't just speculative markets. They are practical ones. People use Bitcoin because they need it, not because it's trendy. Isn't that necessarily the strongest driver of all? Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, priced. Bitcoin is around $90,000 today, after dropping nearly 16% this month. And viewers are asking, is this the start of a deeper trend or just another correction? Well, here's the perspective. Every cycle has sharp pullback, falling to or failing to hold above $100,000 was a psychological blow. But history shows that these corrections are normal. Traders are watching $85,000 as a short-term stabilizer or stabilizing point, and $78,000 as a critical support zone. if that holds, Bitcoin could bounce strongly into the year end. But here's the bigger picture. Adoption doesn't stop because price dip. Remittance continue. Lightning payment grows and institution kept building. So price is the headline, but adoption is the real story. Isn't it ironical that while traders panic, users keep using Bitcoin? That's what I'm trying to emphasize. So while the price run headlines, adoption run history. Bitcoin isn't just moving because ETF or macro liquidity. It's moving because people are using it, because it is quick and cheap transfer directly. And that's the story most people missed. So stay sharp, stay patient, and stay focused on the fundamentals of Bitcoin. They allowed people, especially in the underdeveloped country, for their daily use, like transferring of funds back home for the migrant workers. So if you are enjoying this weekly series, hit the like button and share it with somebody who thinks Bitcoin is only about price. The next episode will be equally interesting, so stay around, all right? And again, this is not the financial advice. This is just a digest of current trade and analysis. Agree or don't disagree is yours, okay? Go with your eyes wide open. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.